Hi, today we're going to take a look at ATOMIZED integration with Google Sheets. Most frequently what we hear from teams is they use a variety of tools to collaborate. More often than not, teams use spreadsheets to plan social media content, media planning, or editorial content. With the ATOMIZED integration with Google Sheets, you can do a couple of things. One, create a new flight with ATOMIZED when a new row is added to a sheet and a column is updated. Or two, you can add a file to ATOMIZED asset library when a row and a column is updated. Today we'll take a look at both. Let's jump in. So we have a Google Sheet containing several rows of information. It's really basic information regarding assets related to content that we have going out on our content calendar. As you can see, we have title, begin and end date, a link to an image, and a status. So let's begin by adding an item to our list. We'll enter a title, enter begin and an end date. And then I've got a link that I've copied, so we'll copy paste it here to our asset. I'll then set the status to approved, which will trigger an automation every few minutes based on the way we have the integration set up. So now we have it. We'll take a quick look at our image. Awesome. And now let's jump over into ATOMIZED and have a look. We set our content plan date for the 11th through the 12th, so let's scroll and find our new flight. There it is. Great. We'll pop in to the image details. So you can see that the image is there. It's got a bit of metadata associated with it, and everything looks good. So now we can take additional actions on our flight, like let's maybe set a tag. I'll put in here dark roast. Also, I'll assign a teammate, Daniel, maybe to this flight, and there we have it. We've got our image, we've got our asset over from Google Sheets, and everything looks good. As I mentioned earlier, the other item we can do with this integration with Google Sheets is we can add an image to the asset library inside ATOMIZED. So let's take a brief look at that. I've already added a couple of additional items to our content plan. Got a title, begin, end date, again an image, a link to an image asset. And then here we'll set the status to approve so that we trigger our action again for the integration. And let's take a brief look again at this new image that we've selected. Make sure we can identify it in the asset library. Beautiful. So back in ATOMIZED, let's have a look at our asset library. And here we can see the thumbnail, so nice. And then if I jump into the thumbnail, I can see the full image. Lovely. Awesome. We know that change can be difficult. Many organizations have significant investment in time and energy around their existing planning documents. ATOMIZED is built to enhance your team's existing workflow. Your team can continue to collaborate as they do today with Google Sheets, seamlessly use ATOMIZED to visually enhance your workflow, and without missing a step, see the big picture of all of your content running across campaigns. I hope you found this video helpful. Feel free to check us out at help.atomized.com. There's plenty of information there and resources to help you get started, including additional videos. Thanks.